Hi guys, so today we're going to be making this cute fox notebook with the Velcro closure. Here are all the materials you'll need, will be provided for you. So we're going to start with our smallest rectangle and just line it up with the top of the notebook. And we're just going to want to score along the edge there. And then we're going to score on the middle part too. And you want to apply glue to the whole piece. And then just line that back up with the top of the notebook and fold it over. Press down to make sure the glue is set. Next we're going to glue the ears, so grab your small black triangles and glue on either side, and we're just going to trace out the edges of the ears, leaving a little bit of the orange space, and then just go straight up from the tip. And then we're going to cut that out, so we're going to end up with two little orange triangles and just get rid of those. Next we're going to grab our pentagon, and we're just going to mark half an inch from the top and just score down that half-inch line. You're going to want to line that up with the notebook and make sure to fold over. Now that we've got that folded, we're going to mark at the half-inch line and line that up with the little slot piece we cut out. And we're just going to stick those together and add some glue to reinforce it. I'm just going to score along the top there, make sure everything bends crisply. Next, just add glue all over the back of the notebook. We're going to stick it all together. So right under that half-inch line is where we're going to stick it. And score along the bottom and just about 1/8 of an inch above that. Next we're just going to fold all that up, and then we can add the details for the face, starting with our little cheeks. We're going to glue down our white pieces on either side, and then right at the tip add our black cone for the nose, and then you just want 2 little dots of glue on either side just to add the eyes. And then we have our cute little fox face together. We can finally start assembling the tail. So black piece on the bottom, and we're going to glue the orange piece on top of that, and then our next black piece on top of the orange at the tip, and then the white, and then we're just going to glue all of that down right below the tip of the nose. And the last piece is just the Velcro closures, so just unstick the first one, stick the Velcro to each other, and then take the tape off, push it all down, and you're all done. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and enjoyed the take and make for this week. Our activity code for summer reading is going to be notebook, so make sure you put that in if you want the points for it. Just remember, the activity code is notebook. Alright, thanks. Bye guys.